guy's good.
That's good. Then we're not going to say it no more.
Yep. Yeah, I know.
I told you, I'll break the knee.
Go TQ!
All that conditioning.
Nah, it doesn't work, dude.
All that conditioning. We call them either the fruits or the labor. All right. We had a vision. We made it a dream. We made it a reality. I think it looks better if all 4 years out there.
Yeah, no. I'm going to have to move.
We had like 40 people, over 40 people.
I saw one happening and they did you were out of memory, like the trick.
Yeah, that's our brother.
Oh, yeah. Hey, out there, wait, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. This kid, yeah. My sister said it was me.
It's okay, let them know. They used to.
I think when I was a little kid.
No, actually, we want girls to